Welcome back to Together Learner. Today we have hands-on MSI's GL63 8SD. Let's get started. I ordered it on 16 July during the Prime Day sale. And now the price on Amazon is 96,000 rupees, and whereas Flipkart is selling it at 1,19,000 rupees, the MRP on the box is 1,29,990 rupees. Now talking about the laptop, it comes with Intel Core i7-8750H, 512 GB of SSD, 8 GB of RAM that can be expanded up to 32 GB. It comes with preloaded Windows 10 and it has 2-year carry-in warranty by MSI. It weighs 2.2 kgs and dimensions as given on the screen. It comes in black and red beautiful box with MSI logo on the top and True Gaming written on the right side of the box. Coming to the main reason why to get this laptop is NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. You cannot get this graphic card in any other laptop right now under 1 lakh rupees price range. Even if you have a budget of 1,20,000-25,000 rupees, most probably this is the only laptop you can get NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. If you only have a doubt regarding the build quality of this laptop, trust me, it looks durable and overall build quality is quite good. But while opening the lid, you need to hold the keyboard side of the laptop as well. That is a negative, but for me, that is not a problem at all. Inside the box, there is a card with some hotkeys written on it in so many different languages. Other than that, there is a charger inside the box. One basic difference on the basis of appearance of the charger of MSI GL63 with other laptops like Asus R series and Asus F series, the MSI pin is huge. If you are interested in the charging brick, pause the video and check that. Otherwise, you can skip the next 10 seconds of the video. I never went through the details, so I don't have any idea. Finally, let me take you through the design of this laptop. On the left hand side of the laptop, you get Ethernet, HDMI, mini display, USB 3.0 and Type-C port. Other than that, there are two 3.5mm jacks for audio out and microphone. Coming to right hand side, we have card slot, 2 USB 3.0 and power connector. While buying this laptop, one might get confused about the display, like what is the refresh rate, as the details are not provided on the Amazon's website. I checked it after buying and the refresh rate is 120Hz. 15.6 inches, Full HD 1920 by 1080, wide view anti-glare screen. I do a lot of typing, so coming to its keypad, it is well built, spacing is good, and in my opinion, it was competitive to MacBook Air. Coming to negative side, when I plugged in external hard disk, it was unable to detect that. I tried doing a lot of things to fix that but failed. This problem might go away in future with a driver update, but we are facing this right now. Other storage like pen drives and SD card works fine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, that will motivate me to make new videos.